In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own RMT rope or rolling rope. Obviously you can buy them online, but this rope for example cost me 35 reals, which is about £7 or $10, and I know that there's enough length to make at least 3 different ropes. So yeah, it's much cheaper making it yourself. Okay, so alright, so as you can see it's quite long, and to be honest I'm not sure exactly how much it weighs. I probably should have weighed it, but I've made a few different ropes before, and I like this one because it's quite heavy and it's quite weighted when you do the moves. Generally you want a length where each end is about rib height and just touching the floor, but you also want to have a little bit extra length for when you tie the knots. Like that. So, and again, if it's a little bit long, you can always tie extra knots just to shorten it. Okay, so I think for this, just give it a little bit extra. Alright, and with this rope in particular, it tends to unravel. So what I do is just with a bit of tape, just tape it around here to stop it from unraveling as I'm making it. So yeah, as you can see, it's really starting to unravel there. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to grab and make a cross like this, a loop, and what you want to do is make it quite tight, and you're just going to wrap across, so you can see that. So you want at least 3 or 4 of these. So this is a bit short, so I need to do that again, make it a bit longer. So from there. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it looks good. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab that end, put it through the loop and hold, and then from here all you're going to do is pull this through. It might be a bit stiff at first, but once you get it, you just pull through, and then you grab both ends. Okay, and then you've got one end there. So what you can do is you can just chop that off, or tape it up, or use a lighter, whatever you want to do. Okay, so pretty much you've got one end there, and then you just do the same process on the other side. Okay. Okay, through. Okay, there you have it. So, yeah. Alright guys, hope you found this video useful. Let me know if you make your own DIY rolling rope. See you in the next one.